This video is all about whiteboarding in Design Room Live. Whiteboard in Design Room Live is where all the action is. It's a virtual design space on your web browser that users can use to design, present, and share at real time. The interface provides simple toolbar with required editing options but ample space for designing. You can use the whiteboards in many different ways to make your design space convenient to work with and to collaborate and integrate with other users, whiteboards, and other modeling tools like Design Room One. Use the whiteboard dashboard to view the existing whiteboards and to create, modify, or delete whiteboards. In our demo, we will talk about whiteboard templates, public and private whiteboards, and also see how to share your whiteboards with other users for effective collaboration and real-time sharing. For our demo purpose, we have two users, namely guest and admin, logged in at different instances. First, we will create a public whiteboard. As you can see, the public whiteboard is visible to both users. Any artwork on a public whiteboard is available instantly to the other users. Now I'll go ahead and create a private whiteboard. A private whiteboard is a private space to the user that creates it and is not available to the other users. It will not be listed for the other user in the Whiteboard Explorer either. It remains private until the user decides to make it public. You can select a public whiteboard and edit it by selecting the private checkbox to convert it to a private whiteboard. Similarly, you can change a private whiteboard to public by clearing the checkbox. You can easily identify the whiteboards with their unique icons. Whiteboards can be created using the predefined or sample whiteboard templates. Some sample templates come with the application, but you can also create your own templates for reuse. This concludes the video. For more information about Design Room Live, see the resources page.